How to pay Meralco using Maya app. First, download the Maya app, then click open, then click bills, then search for Meralco, then choose Meralco, then enter the customer account number and amount, then click continue. Double check kung tama yung amount na nilagay, then click pay. Ang kagandahan dito, walang convenience fee. So, wala kang ekstrang babayaran kundi yung exact amount lang ng Meralco bill nyo. Then, click continue. Then, pay using my wallet. Then, click pay now. For your record, pwede nyong ma-view yung receipt for your reference. Ganun lang kadali magbayad ng Meralco bill using Maya app.